Ah,
It's a fine sunny weather. Magsa-summer na, guys. Ito na. I can feel the heat. So hot. And I love it. I'm loving it. Tatanungin nyo kung anong ginawa namin dun, guys. Nag-sunbathing lang kami. Ari ko. Bait ng asawa ko.
sorry.
Tanghaling tapat, nag-sunbathing kami. Tanghaling tapat as in, it's 12 noon today.
Bye, friends.
Pa-by crimson pa yung asawa ko. Sounds like, cookies.